Now you can see the 3-minute chart, you can kind of see that idea of this breaking through here and then kind of moving down into the 28s next on this leg. Right now we push back up there. Got these numbers coming out in 5 minutes. 5 minutes for the numbers. Bit of a flag kind of forming here. We bouncing off that support that we talked about pre-market. So I'd say if we get this break below 40, we move down 28s next. See if we get this 40 break here. It should be another kind of waterfall down. Try to fill that gap here on the SPY if we break through here. There we go, through the 39s, now 40s. Are we gonna just waterfall down through the 30s here? 38s, nice. Trying to get this gap fill here on the SPY right now. Beautiful, let's go, $1,300. Go a little bit lower here. 36s right there on the book right now. Watching the book map here, 36s. Can we get through 36s strong? Watching it here. 36s, I got my finger on the trigger. Get through the 35s here next. Bunch of liquidity sitting there at 35s. I'm gonna take it off for $1,500 on that trade. You can see right now on the book map, just because we have a bunch of liquidity sitting there at 35, just in case this thing rips back up. You can see that short here from the 43s down to the 36s, just getting that break back below the 13 EMA there. I actually shorted earlier at the break of the 50 and then ended up just taking a small profit there, but that nice move all the way down there 36s. So right now a little push back up. Maybe we got covered at the right time there, 36.25, we'll see. Wow, I might have covered right there at the bottom right now. 36 is getting covered down there. Perfect. The old book map giving me the look there. You can see I got covered right there at 36, right there pretty much at the bottom. The book map is showing that support there, so you gotta love it. The book map, a powerful tool. People are always like, do you enjoy using the book map? Well, I enjoy making money, and I can't say that the book map guarantees me making money, but it's nice to have it. If you guys want to learn more about the book map, there's a link there in the chat box. You can sign up for the monthly there. I mean, I think it was obvious on the chart there, 3-minute chart there, Steve. Breaking down that last move there, I had this literally lined on there. And if you guys rewind, if you were watching the stream, I talked about this bear flag breaking to the downside, the idea of moving down into the 30s. And yeah, we had the MACD bearish. So that was a strat right there. 10 o'clock, here we go. Numbers are out. Numbers are out. I have the global plus rhythmic data for the numbers, for bookmap. Market trying to squeeze back up here. We're gonna have resistance coming up at the VWAP here in a second, 48. So looking to see what happens at that VWAP area. If we get above that VWAP on the book map right now, we got a bunch of liquidity stacking up here in this level, right where that VWAP's at. The shorts know they're trying to use that VWAP as resistance here. So if we get back above the VWAP, possibly start thinking about looking for some long opportunities, get this MACD to curl up here on the 3-minute chart. We need that MACD to get back above in the bullish mode, and then we can start thinking about possibly getting long. Really, I think you just got to get back above 50 here if you're even considering longs at this point. So what a move, though. What a move. That move back up there, the book map showing that whole thing kind of going down there. We had that setup and the breakout, that move over 42 here. I mean, look at this thing. If you're looking for this move, there's that MACD cross now. We are pushing back up. I was thinking, okay, we had touch that low. The book map was showing us all that support down there at the 36s. There's that kind of breakout back to the upside here. The idea of buying that break over the high of this candle, that 42 area. And look, green, back up into that 56 area that from support earlier. We had the VWAP at the 48. So there it goes. Lots of drawing on the line there, but that was the setup and the breakdown. So there's a move. Easier to predict that kind of idea of getting that reversal off the bottom, that 36 level. That was the low. We tested that twice. I'm interested to see what happens here. We're getting that breakout back to that pivot point at the 60s now. So over that high on that last 15-minute candle. I talked about this strategy recently as well, this 15-minute candle kind of strategy here. This is another Patrick Whelan type of setup here, a little steeper. These breakouts are going to be a little probably steeper on the 15-minute chart just because there's less candles, but Definitely an interesting idea of playing the 15-minute chart with the eye. Like with this, pretty much on this move here, you're just looking to buy the breakout over the high of this candle right here. So the high on this candle right there is 50. So basically, well, yeah, 50.25. So you'd be looking to get long above the high of this candle, and now you'd be up 8 points. And that's the kind of MACD setup and breakdown thingy there. MACD kind of setup and breakdown. You see on the book map right now, we're running that resistance there. The book map illustrating that resistance just a little bit more clearly right there. So definitely see a lot of value having the book map. For me personally, I just really like to get the you know, illustration, the painting. It's painting the price action on the chart there.